In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this gear at the top right corner to manage all of those options. Start recording thanks to this button. Pause it or unpause it thanks to the right one here. To disable AI voice recognition, use this X at the top right corner, or turn it on by clicking on AI voice recognition over here. To delete your recording right away, tap on this pin on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it, click on the same middle button. Now to play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options. Click on those three dots at the top right corner to access all of those. Or hold it here and operate those. Like rename. Then hit OK to save its name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!